Listen and check.
Tough at the top. Music Hits answers your questions about teenage bands.
I'm going to start a band with some friends. I can play keyboards and the guitar, but my friends aren't really musicians. Will that be a problem?
No, it won't. Some of the people in teenage bands are musicians, but they don't normally play instruments when they record or go on tour. They don't usually write songs either. If you want to be on TV, your image will be very important. So think about style and learn to dance.
Is it hard work to be in a band?
It's very, very hard work. Imagine a typical day. You do 2 interviews and a photo session in the morning in 3 different towns. Then you appear on TV in the evening in a different country. You don't have time for friends or family or vacations. It really isn't easy.
I read that the managers of rock bands have a lot of influence. Is that true?
Yes, it is. Managers plan most things for teenage bands. They organize concerts, hotels, travel, and interviews. They also say what the band is going to record and where they are going to go. Some managers have a lot of rules for the band because they want to create a good image. For example, some teenage bands can't have boyfriends or girlfriends. The manager also takes a lot of the money, sometimes 20%.
Hey, I want to be number 1, but I need a band. Where do I start?
Look in newspapers, music magazines, and on the internet. You'll find ads and information there. And good luck! There are thousands of people with the same ambition.
Can I make a lot of money in a band?
Yes and no. A small number of bands sell millions and millions of CDs, but most bands never become rich. You need a lot of luck, and you need to be in the right place at the right time.